Welcome guys, so today I am with Tozo NC2 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So the first, you have to remember to charge your case at least to the 50%. Right here we get the USB-C input. And of course you have to input earbuds inside. The next step, that's very simple and obvious, you have to go for the settings on your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, turn it on, and then simply open the case with your earbuds. As you can see, they appears right here automatically, so you don't even have to press on anything. You can just simply select your earbuds, and after a few seconds we will be connected, and there it is. But also I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when you cannot find them right here. So let me just unpair them. You'll hear also this voice notification that they are disconnected. Okay, so if you cannot find your earbuds on the list, you have to open the case like that and click and hold this button for 3 seconds until this indicators on the front blinks on the white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. Yeah, right now you can release, turn off Bluetooth and turn it on back on your iPhone, and the Tozo NC2 will pop on the list. That's very simple. So click on them once and we are connected. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.